Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Tutorial Lore. Today, I am going to teach you where do dividend payments go in Trading 212. Once you open your Trading 212 account, you will be on this page by default homepage right here. So to see where do your dividend payments go from your dividend stocks first. Sorry, because I can't show you the steps. But tell you, you can follow my steps to check where do your dividend payments go. Now we just go to our portfolio section right here. Then we will just select our PI right here, and we will scroll down to the dividend payments section right here. Now, as you can see, I don't have any dollar or euro, but if you have, you will see your dollar or euro gained in dividend payments. But until recently, we didn't know where these payments are going. So if you click on the dividend to enable your auto invest, you will see under this off section where your dividend payments are going. So as you can see, dividend income won't be reinvested and will be edited to your account free fund. So if you have auto invest off your dividend payments will be credited to your free funds, and you can see your free funds right here. So just go ahead and click on your total account value right here, and your free funds will be right under your portfolio section. So if you click on your free funds, you can see how much you have in euros, dollars, or any other currencies that you have on your account. So that, guys, where your dividend payments are going on Trading 212 account.